Ako man, okay dito. Teka, magsan ka magkipalo?
Hi there guys and girls, good morning to every one of you. Welcome to my day 2 here in San Roque, Legazpi City. I just woke up. I haven't had my breakfast. How about you? I'm gonna show you my, what's this? Goodies that I brought here in my family. So, they're gonna see it. Check it out. So, tingnan nyo na. Dali na. Kalkalin nyo na. Wala kayo kumpra.
Kalkalin na yan.
So I have our favorite birch tree.
Wow! Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. So I have here a chocolates. Oh my god, it's some kind of a.
Dapat may yelo na yan. Ay, sa akin dito. Sa akin dito pala.
So there are 4 variants of the chocolates. So we're gonna taste this one, each one of this. I also brought them a muffins to make Quaker oats, chocolate.
Oh, it's so nice.
Ito sa akin. Ito sa akin.
Ay, yan, tig-isa pala kayo nito. Tig-isa kayo dyan.
Ito sa akin. Sa akin to.
Blueberry.
Yun naman.
Blueberry. Muffin mix. Just a
And
bit.
then strawberry.
Ito pa, blueberry.
We also have here a fresh milk with 3 plate,
And so
fortified
there's
locker.
And then
So-
we
Ito pa,
have
Quakers.
peanut
Quaker
butter
Quaker oats.
Quaker oats.
So let's taste this one. I already taste this one, guys and girls. So I'm gonna let them to taste this. So ready for our kare-kare. Okay, so let's start on tasting. Let's start for this. Wanna try, guys and girls? Hold on for a sec.